Today I'm just installing my rear BC Racing coilovers on my 350Z. So I'll probably just turn this into like a vlog kind of mix with a how-to video. So easiest part, take off the tire, take off this 17mm bolt. There's the bolt. Right, then there's going to be these two 12mm bolts up here that you're going to need to take off. And after you get those bolts broken off, you're going to want to just free it out like that. And then check them out just like so. Alright, now what I did to compress this so that way when I take this off, the spring doesn't just shoot out at me. I just used another jack just to that way I could slowly lower it as opposed to in case there is some sort of tension on there, it just springing out at me. So, and I have a wrench on that side, and then as me and my buddies call it, a cheater bar, just a jack handle to have more leverage on it. And these are both 17s, by the way. Alright guys, so I got this pulled out. Now I'm gonna lower the jack. Alright, so what I did was I lowered the jack a bit, and just a tad bit, and then I just hit it with you can use anything that's just heavy metal, and just hit this right here, and then it should break free right here, and then I'll just go ahead and lower the jack the rest of the way. Alright, so now that the spring is loose, I'm gonna go ahead and just probably stand on this and then just pull the spring over this right here. Here's the stock spring. So what I ended up doing is just I didn't pull it over this, I just pulled it out of the bucket kind of from the bottom. Alright guys, so as you can see, everything's in now. Once you take everything out, it's pretty simple. You're just gonna want to put these in and then do the two bolts up there, and then you're gonna want to tighten this down, and then the BC Racing coilovers since I got them used, they didn't come with this nut right here, so I had to go to O'Reilly's and pick one up. So yeah, just tighten those two bolts, this one right here, and then this one right here, and we should be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap the tire back on and then drop it, and I'll pick you guys up from there. Not bad compared to the other side. Yeah, we definitely lost a bit, but I probably will go lower on them eventually. So yeah, that's how you install coilovers. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the other side, and then hopefully I'll still have some time to cruise tonight.